Welcome to Broke Bestie's tips on how to spend your paycheck. Y'all know what time it is. Payday, baby. Time to get that bank balance looking less sad than it did yesterday. Let's do this. Step 1. Treat yourself. You've been surviving on microwave meals and now it's time to show your taste buds what luxury feels like. Go ahead. Order that burrito bowl, but only one. Don't let your stomach trick you into thinking you can afford the $50 sushi platter. We're rich, not that rich. Step 2. Pay your bills, or at least one of them. It's called prioritizing, strategically ignoring the others until you can make rent. I'll get to you later, utilities. I swear. Step 3. Open your savings app and maybe add $10. Maybe. It's the thought that counts, right? It's called growing your savings, even if it's, barely noticeable. You're building a foundation, okay? Big moves. Saving for the future is cute, but let's not pretend you won't accidentally buy a cute sweater for $20 after this, right? Step 4. Online shopping. You might not have rent money, but that new phone case? Totally necessary. It's only $8 and it's on sale. But hey, it's fine because we're investing in ourselves. Okay, fine. Just one thing. But I'm not buying the whole cart. Hashtag self-control. Step 5. Ignore the temptation to swipe your credit card. You already know the interest rates are out here trying to ruin your life. Don't give them the satisfaction. I'll use you later. Step 6. Time to think about side hustles. Like selling your stuff, freelancing, or who am I kidding? I'm just gonna watch another 3-hour how to make money YouTube video. Procrastination is a form of hustle. Tomorrow's the day. I'll do it tomorrow. Definitely. Step 7. Don't check your bank account again until next payday. Just let it marinate. If you don't know how bad it really is, it's not real. Denial is peaceful. I'm rich in spirit, okay? Alright, bestie. Payday might not fix your problems, but it sure as heck gives you a temporary illusion of freedom. Until next payday, let's just take it one misstep at a time. Cause if I can do it, so can you. #BrokeBestie for life. Now hit that like button if you're also financially confused, subscribe for more financial chaos, and share this with your broke bestie so we can all make questionable financial decisions together. Bye! Don't worry, I'll still be here next payday. Fingers crossed.